Then the only remaining part is here, this part of the device. So we go to the left view, and then here I'll select it, the CAD file. There we go. And then after that, I'll open up the filters, check none, and then I'll only check import in families. Okay. And as you can see, it's the DWG file that we have here. So then we select the rotate tool, and then we'll rotate the shape for 90 degrees. And after that, we go to the front view so we can see the shape better. So I'll select the move tool, and then I'll move this corner piece towards this direction. All right. After that, I'll go to the plan, and then using the reference plane, I'll draw a line over here, and then another one down here, then another one here, and another one parallel to it. So this is our working space. So the horizontal ones are actually important to us, but I've just drawn the vertical ones so they can help us. So I'll save it up to this point, open the families file and go to this destination. And then for the name here, I'll type in ceiling dash connection. There we go. After that, I save the file. Alright, after this, we go to the front view, and then I'll give a name to the line that we have here. I'll name it F, and then we have the horizontal line up here, which I'll be naming B. After that, we go to the front view. Here I'll select extrusion, and then pick line, and then I'll be clicking on the lines here to draw them. You can draw the shape manually, of course, but because I put the CAD file here, I'm just going to use it, but you'll be fine if you don't have the CAD file as well. And this is why I said it will be much easier to work with the CAD file itself. So after that, I'll go here and click on this one, and then we have this part here, and then this one, then we go this way down here, then this one, let's get this one too, and then just clicking on the lines. There we go. And after I finish the parts here, we'll go to the middle section and draw the shapes here. Alright, so let me draw these ones as well. If we just draw one out completely, we can just get to know the shape, and then it'll be much easier afterwards because you'll get to know the process itself. Then I'll draw this one as well, and then we have this line down here from this point to this one, and after that we have the arch here, and then we'll go here, then we'll draw this line and another slight arch here, then this line. After that, we'll go to the other side, draw one line here, and then we have an arc here, and then this one, and then we finish it up. So let's see, it says we have an opening somewhere, or we have an excess line. So let me just see where it is. It's right here. Let me see. Oh, excuse me. It was this circle down here. So finish it up again. And then we go to the 3D view. So here I'll select the shape and then go to the left view. So here I'll click on edit work plane and put the reference plane on F. Then OK. And then put the extrusion end in the minuses. Then I'll copy the shape and paste it on itself, and then this time I'll set the work plane on B. And now we have the copy on the other side. And now put the extrusion end in the plus. And as you can see in the 3D view, this is what it turns out like. A nicely designed device. So here on this side we have another groove which we can just create here. So let's go to the top view. There we go. And then here, let me take a look at the file and see where we need to go. All right, let me just go to the left, the front view. So the groove that we have is these two lines here. So let me go back to the top view and see it's here. So it's in the same direction, parallel with this line here. All right, after that, we'll go here and select the void extrusion. All right, and now on the plan, I'll draw a line from here to here, and then we have an arc here. So I'll select it and mirror it on the other side, and then I'll select both of them and mirror them down here. Then we go to the 3D view and finish it up. So this needs to go here, and it's about here, and then this one is about here as well. All right, let me just see, adjust it. All right, and there it is. Let me just take another look at it. And now we created the other part of the connector. Now we can delete the plan. So let's see, then we go here and put it under the structural connection tab. And then the material for the structure is steel. Then I'll select the shapes, select this one, then down here select this one too, and then from the associate family parameter I'll create a new parameter and I'll call it galvanized. Let me just write it, and there we go. After that, we open up the family types to select the material for our new parameter. So here, just look for galvanized, select this, then use render appearance, and then OK. And there we go. And after that, Ctrl S to save it. And then we go to the front view, and then we'll create a reference line for this part up here. So this one goes here and it's this long. And then using measure, we'll have this line here, and the rest of it is just fine. So just save it up to this point. All right, now in the next part, we'll be discussing the piece that connects to this